Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best 12-foot driveway gates are probably one of the most significant investments you can make for your property, offering a blend of enhanced security, privacy, and undeniable curb appeal that transforms your home's entrance into a statement of elegance and protection, ensuring peace of mind while elevating your home's overall aesthetic and value. Number 5. Mom's Choice 120-inch extra wide retractable baby gate. Introducing a product recognized by Mom's Choice Awards. It's designed to keep your loved ones safe and secure. This extra-wide gate expands up to 120 inches, providing ample coverage for large openings. When not in use, the mesh conveniently retracts out of sight. Worried about baseboards? Our unique design includes adjustable bottom mounting accessories that can be moved up or down to accommodate them perfectly. Effortlessly open and close it with just one hand, even when you're holding your baby or carrying essentials. It's simple for adults but challenging for little ones and pets. Create a secure play area for both your babies and pets. This versatile gate ensures a safe environment for everyone. Perfect for various locations, it can be installed indoors or outdoors. Use it at doorways, hallways, stairways, or even on your deck and patio. What we like. This gate offers an exceptionally wide coverage, perfect for large openings. Its retractable design means it disappears when not in use, keeping your space tidy. If you need a flexible barrier that can adapt to different needs and is easy to operate with one hand, this is a great choice for keeping both babies and pets safe. What people say. The gate is very sturdy and well made. It was easy to install and looks great. The automatic opener works smoothly and quietly. Number 4. Adjust-A-Gate Chain Link Fence Gate Kit. Ensure your chain link gate is always perfectly aligned. This durable kit is designed to either repair an existing gate or create a new entrance for any fence. This outdoor gate kit is designed for openings between 24 and 72 inches. It allows for on-site installation to perfectly fit your gate opening. Constructed with strong, powder-coated steel, this kit is built to endure rust and corrosion. It's designed to withstand wet weather and hot summer days. This gate installation kit includes the steel gate frame, powder-coated chain link, a lockable latch, gate hinges, and steel wire ties. Get started on your outdoor DIY project with ease. Provide robust reinforcement for your gates and fences. This heavy-duty accessory ensures your outdoor structures remain secure and functional. What we like. This kit is ideal for those looking to build or repair a chain link gate. It offers a custom fit for openings between 24 and 72 inches. If you're a DIY enthusiast wanting a robust and weather-resistant solution for your outdoor fence, this adjustable gate kit will provide a secure and long-lasting entrance. What people say. The gate is very sturdy and well made. It was easy to install and looks great. The automatic opener works smoothly and reliably. Number 3. Carlson Pet Products 3-in-1 Extra Tall Pet Gate. Introducing the ultimate solution for your pet space. This versatile gate adapts to your needs, serving as a gate, pen, or fence. With an extra tall height and a generous 144-inch width, it provides ample containment for even the most active pets. Keep them safe and secure in any area of your home or yard. Crafted to withstand the elements, this outdoor-ready gate is built for durability. Its weather-resistant construction ensures long-lasting performance, no matter the conditions. Enjoy added convenience with the included small pet door. This thoughtful feature allows smaller pets to pass through easily while keeping larger ones contained. Keeping it clean is simple. Just use warm water and a mild detergent for a quick wipe down. Avoid abrasive cleaners or bleach to maintain its finish. The sleek black finish complements any decor, adding a touch of style to its practical functionality. It's the perfect blend of form and function for your home. What we like. This option provides an impressive 144-inch width and extra height, making it suitable for very large areas and taller pets. Its weather-resistant build ensures it can withstand the elements outdoors. If you need a versatile barrier that can function as a gate, pen, or fence, and appreciate the convenience of a bonus small pet door, this is an excellent all-in-one solution. What people say. The gate is very sturdy and well made. It was easy to install and looks great. The automatic opener works smoothly and reliably. Number 2. Mighty Mule MM271 Automatic Gate Opener. Introducing the automatic gate opener designed for your light-duty single-swing gates. It provides convenience and security for your home, handling gates up to 12 feet long and 300 pounds. This opener is designed for all single gate types, including ornamental, chain link, tube, panel, vinyl, and wood. It requires a 12-volt battery to operate. The kit includes everything you need to get started: one remote with a visor clip, a control box, all necessary mounting hardware, and a detailed installation manual with online video guides. It's suitable for single-swing gates up to 12 feet in length and a maximum weight of 300 pounds. The package itself is compact and lightweight for easy handling. Enhance its functionality with solar power compatibility. It's designed to work with a compatible 10-watt solar panel for an eco-friendly solution. What we like. For ultimate convenience and security, this automatic gate opener is a top pick. It's designed for single-swing gates up to 12 feet long and 300 pounds. If you value effortless entry and exit, and are looking for a way to automate your gate with the option for solar power, this system offers a significant upgrade to your home's accessibility and security. What people say. GateWorks Great remotes are all programmed again and fully functional. This gate opener is seriously a game changer for anyone looking to upgrade their home security system. It's easy to install and comes with a remote, so you can open and close your gate with just a click of a button. The Mighty Mule MM271 can handle gates up to 12 feet long or 300 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of setups. Number 1. Adjust-A-Gate Adjustable Chain Link Gate Kit. Tired of gates that don't quite fit? Our adjustable gate kit provides a custom solution for openings from 24 to 72 inches wide. Get the perfect fit for any space, easily. Keep your gates looking and functioning like new. This system prevents unsightly sagging and dragging, ensuring your gate remains durable and functional for years to come. Unlike prefabricated options, this kit offers on-site customization. Achieve a perfect fit that meets your specific needs, without the hassle. Everything you need for a secure gate is included. With a lockable latch, hinges, and steel ties, you can ensure your gate is both functional and secure. Looking for more versatility? This kit can be used to create a drive-through double gate. Transform your property's entrance with ease. What we like. This gate kit is specifically designed to prevent sagging and ensure a perfect fit for openings from 24 to 72 inches. Its heavy-duty construction guarantees long-term durability. If you're dealing with an existing chain link fence that needs a reliable, adjustable, and secure gate solution, this kit provides a functional and robust answer to keep your property protected. What people say. Finish is nice, easy to assemble. Ordered first one and then a second. I used full size for 6-foot opening. Second adjusted for a 4-foot opening. Cut the top and bottom bars with a reciprocating saw. Drilled pilot holes for screws to shortened length. The only challenge is due to quality. The hinge bracket metal is very sturdy and took some strength to tighten around the gate frame. It's helpful to have sturdy pliers to squeeze it together to ease tightening bracket. Overall size sturdy gate. You have 2 subtract 4 for 1 gate and 6 for 2 gates next to each other. I ordered 2 and needed to cover a 12-foot gap. I thought I needed to cut off 6, but the 2 gate already came with the 6 trimmed. The gates are beautiful and easy to install. Good quality materials, clear instructions and easy assembly. Went together in about half an hour, even with the cutting. I would recommend a multi-tool or grinder to make the cuts, but you can use a hacksaw, it works just fine. So far it's held up well for Labradors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.